Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you a healthy idli recipe. It's a mix of black rice, red rice and idli rice. It's full of nutrients and it has powerful disease fighting antioxidants, and I hope you will try this recipe. One of the best superfoods for your body. Now let's get started. Ingredients to make idli batter. First we have to soak the rice. This is red rice. This is for those who haven't seen the red rice. Some of the benefits of red rice. This is black rice, also called forbidden rice. These are some of the benefits of black rice. This is idli rice. The ratio is 4:1. 4 cups of rice and 1 cup of black gram dal. This is 1 cup of red rice. One cup of black rice. 2 cups of idli rice. In another bowl, add 1 cup of black gram dal. Half cup of rice flakes, also called beaten rice. Do not soak now. When you start to grind, soak it before 10 minutes. Wash it 2-3 times. Fill water and soak it for 6 hours or leave it overnight. I've soaked it for 6 hours. It's nice and soaked. Now let's grind it. Let's grind them separately. First goes dal and then the rice. Wash the rice flakes. Add water and soak it for 5 to 10 minutes. This is ground black gram dal. It should be soft and silky. Check out the texture. Grind your rice in this texture. It should be fine like this. I'm adding baking soda, little less than 1/4 teaspoon, 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Add little water, mix it and add it to the batter. Give this a good mix. Combine all this really well. Batter has to ferment, so cover and keep it in a warm place for about 5 to 6 hours. The batter is fermented well. This is how it should be. If your batter is not fermented like this, just wait for it to ferment. Otherwise your idli will be rock hard. My batter is little thick, so I'm adding 1/4 cup of water to get that flowing consistency. It's not necessary to add water. If your batter is in a flowing consistency, go ahead and steam it. Since I'm making a giant idli, I'm using this method. You can steam it in your regular idli steamer. I'm adding some water to the pan and I've kept a stand to keep the idli plate on. This is a steel plate and I put a banana leaf at the bottom of the plate. And I'm going to steam my idli in this plate. Water should come to a rolling boil, so cover the pan and let's wait for some time. Water has come to a rolling boil. Now let's add the batter. The black or purple color of the rice indicates the high levels of antioxidant properties. It helps in the slow absorption of sugar in the blood and prevents diabetes. Also helps in weight loss. Cover and steam it for 12 to 15 minutes. While the idli is steaming, let's make coconut chutney. These are the ingredients. To a blender, add these ingredients. Add little water and grind into a chutney consistency. Into a small pan, add a tablespoon of oil. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds, 2 red chilies and a few curry leaves. Once the mustard seeds splatter, turn off the flame and add it to the chutney. It's been 15 minutes. Time to check our idli. Prick a toothpick. If it comes out clean, then it's pretty much done. Now turn off the flame. Let it cool a bit. Serve it hot with coconut chutney and chicken gravy. You can also serve with sambar and podi. The idli is so soft. Do try this healthy recipe, which is loaded with vitamins and minerals that keep you fit and healthy. Share this recipe with your family and friends and let me know your feedback. If you like this recipe, consider subscribing, like, share and comment. Thank you all so much for watching. Stay safe, stay healthy, happy cooking.